Late night, staring at your name. Fading echoes, nothing feels the same. I tried to hold on, but we slipped away. Now I'm left with words I couldn't say. We were something I could almost call mine. In your arms, everything felt right. Pero nga nung lisod man ipugos, kung ang imong kasing-kasing dili ako agyud. I kept pretending we were more than this. Every moment felt like a risk. Kay bisan na ka sa akong kilid, dili gihapon ko ang imong gipilit. I was holding on to something breaking. Every word I said was shaking. Deep inside, I knew the truth, I was never really you. I was almost yours, but never enough. Close to your heart, but still out of touch. I gave you everything, still lost the fight. Loving you in the shadows of your light. I was almost there, but fell apart. Just a lonely echo in your heart. Now I'm learning how to let you go, even if it hurts me more than you know. Now I walk alone through memories. Every song brings you back to me. Sa matag lugar na ating naagian. Ikaw gihapon ang akong ginahuna-hunaan. I try to heal but the pain remains. Hidden tears fall like silent rain. Kay bisan mo sa una kong kalimot, ang imong nalan akong gihutang gihapon. Maybe in another life we'd be alright. No holding back, no need to fight. But in this world I played my part. Just a broken piece of your heart. I was almost yours, but never enough. Close to your heart, but still out of touch. I gave you everything, still lost the fight. Loving you in the shadows of your light. I was almost there, fell apart. Just a lonely echo in your heart. Now I'm finally letting you go, even if it breaks me more than you know. Now your name is just a memory of what we were that couldn't be. I was almost yours, but almost is all